How to send heart effect messages on iPhone? Here's a quick and easy way to add the love screen effect to your iMessage. First, open the Messages app and create a new message or open an existing conversation with another iPhone user. Type the message you want to send. Next, press and hold the send button instead of tapping it once. This will open the Send with Effect menu. Tap on the Screen tab at the top. Now swipe left through the available screen effects until you find the Love effect, which displays animated hearts on the screen. Once you've selected it, tap the Send button to send your message with the heart animation. If you change your mind, simply tap the X icon to cancel. And that's it. Your message will be sent with the Love screen effect on iMessage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.